back into wild primitive times, humans using stone tools, attempting to record the world with lines. During the Renaissance, the development of chemical technology gave birth to a wider range of pigments. Then colors were truly recorded on canvas. In 1925, the world's first black and white television came out. Since then, humans have mastered the technology of light and dark, and through the combination of brightness and color, a more vivid world has been moved to your screen. In 2021, to explore more cutting-edge display technology and present a more realistic and colorful world, TCL established the PG Laboratory to perfectly present every vibrant moment. PG Lab, as a pioneer in the field of display technology, is the first laboratory of TCL that has the capability of a full mini LED manufacturing process. Here, we have witnessed countless breakthroughs in optoelectronic materials, with scientists continuing to transcend the boundaries of light and color to create more realities that have never existed. As is known to all, a clear display is essential for fine color presentation. Brightness, color gamut, contrast, and uniformity are important indicators for evaluating the performance of a display. We precisely control the true presentation of each pixel and use ultra-high precision to show the most authentic colors. We scientifically control the structure and size of the quantum dot materials and precisely regulate the luminous color of them, achieving an important breakthrough in the field of color management of wide gamut quantum dots and allowing the product color gamut value to reach a new level. We are committed to the development of mini LED chips, giving the display product astonishingly vivid visuals. It allows for higher precision, more impactful colors, and an exceptional image quality that brings us lifelike colors. To allow the product to perfectly present fine colors even in darker scenes and provide audience with a comfortable viewing experience, PG Lab continuously innovated its simulation design capabilities, investing in advanced equipment, talent, and algorithms to simulate multiple optical scenarios. We cover the entire system of testing and analyzing from the source of materials to the mass production of components, truly realizing standardization and industrialization. With a complete thermal analysis system measurement, which covers a wide temperature range, we ensure that every part and every detail meets the standards. Based on rigorous experimentation, we simulate various extreme environments in real life, including frost, heat, humidity, and dryness, to verify product reliability lifetime and excellent quality. We follow the industry's first-class standards to develop the machine's optical performance parameters and use real-time brightness and colorimetric evaluation algorithms to continuously improve optical stability and effectively solve halo-related problems. From the initial concept design to mass production, the product has undergone numerous explorations and testing, and finally formed a complete equipment process. With the assistance of PG Lab's self-developed equipment, we ensure the stable and reliable manufacturability of the product. PG Lab's continuous improvement and breakthrough enables TCL to become a brand with independent mini LED full process test capabilities, equipment and research and development capabilities. In the future, we will bring more leading-edge display technology, restore the most realistic world to every audience.